On August 15, 2021, independent India will be 75 years old. After years of brutal British oppression, our people finally breathed free air in 1947. On this day, Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his first public speech in Delhi. But where was Gandhiji that day? This is an important bit of history you should know. To our surprise, he was not celebrating that day in Delhi. Instead, he was fasting in Kolkata, far from the hard-won independence celebrations in Delhi. Gandhi went to Bengal capital to bring Hindu-Muslim harmony. The two religions had been waging a bloody war for months. Gandhi came to put out the Bengal community fire. I cannot rejoice on August 15th. I do not want to deceive you. But at the same time, I shall not ask you not to rejoice. Unfortunately, the kind of freedom we have got today contains also the seeds of future conflict between India and Pakistan. How can we, therefore, light the lamps, asked Gandhi? By August 15, 1947, the riots in West Bengal had lasted over a year. To be split up and merged with Pakistan. In late 1946, Muslim neighbors set fire to Hindu homes in Nokli, East Bengal. Gandhi went to Bengal to ensure peaceful coexistence. He had persuaded Hindus to return to their villages. Just when things seemed normal again, another conflict broke out. This time in Bihar. Hindus ambushed a Muslim minority in a Bihar village. Gandhi walked for days from Bengal to Bihar. When he arrived, he consoled the terrified Muslims and reasoned with the Hindus. To be with the Nokli Hindus during the partition, he had to return to Bengal. Finally, the Muslim majority in East Bengal guaranteed the Hindus' safety. So he could stay in Calcutta, ensuring Bengali peace. Throughout this time, while fasting, Gandhi was thanking God in his prayer. He credited God for his courage and wisdom that made him participate in India's independence movement. But there was another reason for his fast. He pictured the poor people from rural India who could not even wish to celebrate the day of freedom. The fast also reminded us that fighting poverty was one of India's major challenges. This story explains why Gandhi was called Mahatma. He lived a simple life, as evidenced by his 1947 Independence Day celebration.